Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Shark. Today I'm going to introduce you to top 5 best electric skateboards based on quality, speed, weight limit, and battery. Before we start, please make sure you hit the subscribe button below.
Number 1. GTR Carbon 2 by Evolve Skateboards. Are you a skater who loves high quality skateboards? Well, in this case, GTR Carbon 2 is the best for you. It's the first handmade 100% carbon fiber electric skateboard. It's really tough and it uses lithium-ion battery and can travel 50 kilometers at most if it's fully charged. And it's got Bluetooth remote control and has instant trigger response and smooth brakes, which makes it a really safe electric skateboard to use. It has 30% incline rate, a max speed of 26 miles per hour, and it weighs 8.4 to 9.8 kg, depends on what battery you're using. It has a max load of 100 kg, and it's now available on eBay or Evolve Skateboards website for £1,800. Number 2. Starkboard by Start Mobility. Most electric skateboards are remote controlled, but did you know there are boards that can still be controlled very well without a remote? So today I'm going to introduce you to Starkboard. So it's the best hand-free smart electric skateboard with no remote needed, and it's very easy to control. It doesn't take long to master, and it's probably the most reliable and safest among all the smart electric skateboards. It has a 15% incline rate, max speed of 20 miles per hour, weighs 8 kg, and a max load of 150 kg. It uses 194.4 watt-hour swappable batteries that can travel 21 kilometers with fully charged batteries. But the bad thing is that you won't be able to take it with you on a flight as it exceeds the limit of 160 watt-hours. The board also comes with 2 LED lights at the front and the back of the board and has a mobile app for changing mode and speed, controlling the LED lights, and track a board in case you lost it. Starkboard is now available on eBay and Amazon for £400, and you can find the link down below. Number 3. NGV Nextboard by Nextboards. For professional skaters who are ambitious to push themselves to a limit and have fun, this electric skateboard is made for you. This is the fastest electric skateboard in the world that has a max speed of 68 miles per hour. That's even faster than the average speed of a car. It uses Lite battery that can travel 32 kilometers if it's fully charged. This skateboard is controlled by a Bluetooth remote. It has an incline rate of 25%, it weighs 7 kg, and has a max load of 140 kg. And it's now available on Nextboard's website for £2,590. Number 4. Lacroix Nazare Lonestar by Lacroix. If you're a skater whose main transport is your skateboard or always forgets to charge the board after use, then this board's probably the most suitable for you. It uses a 2,152 watt-hour battery and can travel 100 kilometers if it's fully charged, and that's probably the electric skateboard that can travel the longest distance and has the best battery. And also, this electric skateboard has a 40% incline rate, which is the highest incline rate among all of the electric skateboards. It uses a remote control called the Hoyt Midnight Puck remote control. It has a max speed of 50 miles per hour, it weighs 22.2 kg, and its max load of 110 kg. It's now available on the Lacroix website, which is £2,800. Number 5. Acton Blink Lite by Acton. Are you a skater who travels with a skateboard wherever you go, for example, skating to work or school? If yes, you will love the skateboard. The skateboard is only 3.5 kg, which is the lightest electric skateboard in the world, which makes it really easy to carry around. It uses a wireless remote control with a max speed of 10 miles per hour, can travel up to 8 km if the battery is fully charged, has 8% incline rate, and max load of 80 kg. And it's now available in eBay and Acton website for £600. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe. If you're interested in these products, you can check out the description of the video, and there will be links that bring you to the shops with the best deal of the products. Thank you for watching.